you will have very disturbed feeling in your heart about the person, and whole journey will become negative. By doing or spending time with something which you don't know, your experience will be negative. But if you are using this energy for negative thoughts, we need to bring strong discipline in our meditation practice. To become good in meditation, there are many techniques. First, the most important point for meditators will be to prepare themselves for this process. If you don't prepare and you start meditation, there is a possibility you may encounter disturbance while doing your technique, while using this process. Meditation is about a strong power, going deep. If you want to go deep in meditation, or you want to become strong with meditation, there are three important steps which you need to understand. First step is, before you start meditation, you must prepare yourself. The way how you prepare your work, the way how you prepare yourself for anything, whether it is about your home, it is about your office, or anything else, you always do some preparation and then you move like that. If you want to start meditation, preparation is very important. So, what kind of preparation? The way you are as a body, as a person, the place where you are meditating, and how you are protecting this place from any kind of disturbance. Suppose you just started and you are meditating for 5 minutes and you want to go deep. Suddenly, there is someone who is calling you. Now, this person doesn't know that you are meditating. You will have very disturbed feeling in your heart about the person, and whole journey will become negative. Now, your communication with this person will be negative. You will be disturbing your meditation, you will be disturbing your activity, and next time, this memory will be there in your head that I get disturbed while meditating. So, I need to protect myself. So, what I should do? Make sure that place is secure and people, they are informed that you are doing something very special. So this is what we call preparation. Before you start your meditation, prepare yourself. Second step, this step is about learning your meditation technique. Don't do meditation if you don't know how to do it. By doing or spending time with something which you don't know, your experience will be negative. You will have bad emotion, bad feeling. And what happens, if you don't know something, if you don't know about the place, and you enter that place without any arrangements, and you get bad experience, again that memory will disturb you for whole life. You will not feel like going to that place again. The same thing will happen with meditation. You must learn the technique. Whether you are practicing meditation with open eyes or you are practicing meditation with closed eyes, must learn these techniques. Now, this is your second step. Third step is about your discipline. Whatever you are doing in life, if you are doing in discipline, you will grow. Whether you are doing something right, and if you are doing with discipline, you will grow positively. If you're doing something bad, and again, if you are disciplined in that bad activity, you will grow. You will grow in that bad energy. The growth is in both sides because it's about energy. If you use energy for positivity, for productivity, then your growth is naturally it's very powerful and it is positive. But if you are using this energy for negative thoughts, for destruction, then again growth will be there because you are in discipline, but this will harm you. This will harm your journey. We need to bring strong discipline in our meditation practice. If you choose early morning your time for meditation, then be in that strong discipline. Execute your practice with that time. The combination of these three steps, they will help you to align with your meditation process. And remember, those who are practicing meditation, they all are reaching on different levels. So sometime you encounter the experience where people they say that you no need to do meditation, it will happen, it's a natural process. They reached a certain level, that's why they are talking like this. You just started, you need to understand foundation, the way how you were in your school, colleges, how you started learning. Immediately you were not learning the formulas, immediately you were not executing some big programs. You started your training with learning basic foundation system. Maybe it was 1 2 3 4 or A B C D. With these basic understandings, today you are on a level where you can create something miraculous. You are able to create very unique formulas. You are able to create something dynamic for planet Earth. So how you are growing from those foundational programs to these kind of advanced level? This is happening by following the process. Remember, meditation is similarly the way how you are living your life. We can't learn something outside planet Earth. Meditation is also a very important part to plan your life on planet Earth. So, not to consider this activity a parallel activity. Meditation is very much like the way how you prepare your food. If you arrange things properly, if you do all arrangements with perfection, the end result will be beautiful. Same thing with the meditation. If you do and follow all these steps properly, the end result will be amazing. So, this is for all those who are planning to start their meditation journey. Start with these three steps. As you grow with your practice, we will learn more methods, more techniques. Prayers for all of you. Wish you all wonderful energies. Namo Himalaya.